Hi, my name is Adhitya Balaji. I am a sophomore from Greenwood, Indiana, double majoring in molecular life sciences and neuroscience. IU was really one of the top choices for me when I was looking at colleges, mostly because of the research available to freshmen. I had done an internship at the School of Medicine during my junior year of high school, which really got me interested in the STEM field, and I knew that research was something that I definitely wanted to pursue. IU made it really easy for freshmen to get involved, whether it be through the STARS and Eiffel program, which I am a part of, or the Assure program as well. From what I saw from other colleges, freshmen weren't really allowed into labs right away, but that's one of the biggest reasons I chose to come to IU, because of the research available to freshmen, and I think that's really unique to Indiana University. Their determination as an R1 institute to make sure that students are able to get in labs as soon as possible and have that exposure. Not only STEM majors, but also the humanities students who are majoring in anything or involved in research. A few months into my time here at IU, I switched to molecular life sciences because I really enjoyed the courses that were being offered. They were super unique to me. I'm really interested in substance abuse and opioid addiction. Literally every course I'm taking is somewhat related to addiction. Even if I don't have a specific concentration, just the number of courses that are available for you to select what you want to do is great. Molecular mechanisms of cancer is not a course you see typically in many other majors. And I added a neuroscience degree just because I was interested in the brain. Another person that's been a big influencer in my time at IU is Dr. Ling Chen in the Department of Molecular and Cellular Biochemistry, because I've been working in her lab as a part of the STARS and Eiffel program since the beginning of freshman year. She's really been my #1 supporter in making sure that I'm applying to all of these different presentations, different grants, and making sure that she's writing a stellar letter of recommendation for me to have the best application possible. And she's really there for me to talk through my ideas with, and she's open to whatever I think of, and she just wants students to succeed. And so just seeing the closeness of faculty to students and their determination to make students the best that they can be is something that I think is unique to IU. Our lab is really small, which I really enjoy. I did not think that I would have as much one-to-one interaction with my PI as I do now. I'm allowed to lead a lot of big experiments that I didn't think I'd be able to do on my own, so I can purify proteins, I can do an in vivo cell growth assay, protein expressions, run gels, I can make gels all on my own. The nice thing is that Dr. Chen is so flexible that the closeness of our relationship, just because it's such a small lab, and I think it speaks to IU as a whole, that faculty want to get to know you, allows me to be more open and honest with her about what I can do, what I want to do, and what I'm not comfortable doing as well. In the future, I want to pursue an MD PhD, so I'd like to work for an academic medical center like IU, where I can teach, practice medicine, and also conduct research, so really have that three-pronged approach, I guess, where I can do all of the above, give back to the community through teaching and my clinical work, but at the same time be able to practice that translational research by taking what I'm seeing in the emergency department or whatever specialty I choose and tying it into my research goals to really help the patients. Don't be afraid to reach out for support when you need it. Even if you don't need it, even if you just want to talk to someone, just reach out. There are a lot of resources available. Talk to your professors, talk to your advisors. They want you to succeed. Everyone here wants you to succeed.